Spectrum On Demand lets you stream movies, shows, and live TV directly on your smart TV. First, make sure you have a Spectrum cable subscription. Next, confirm that your smart TV, Samsung, LG, Vizio, Hisense, or Roku supports the Spectrum TV app. If compatible, head to your TV's app store and download the Spectrum TV app. It's free. A standalone streaming option is available for non-cable users for $20 a month, but offers a limited library. You'll need a solid internet connection, at least 25 megabits for HD, and 100 megabits for 4K content. Open the Spectrum TV app on your smart TV and select Sign In. Enter your Spectrum username and password. Grant the app permissions for location and notifications to personalize your viewing experience. Navigate to the On Demand section within the app to browse available content. Search for movies and TV shows, rent if needed, and hit play to start streaming. If you encounter issues like error code 102, restart your TV or verify your internet speed. For account-specific problems, contact Spectrum support directly.